Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. I hope that you all have been great, and I am super excited because today I am driving to Cape Town to meet up with some friends of mine, and we will be using the Roastery app to find the best restaurant for tonight's occasion. So I hope that you will enjoy it. I will take you guys along, so smash the hell out of that like button. Let's do this. So after a very nice night out, we are now actually at Constantia Uitsig, and it's very nice. It actually gives me a Babylon student type of vibe. But yeah, so it's this nice little arch that you are walking through, and my friends are right at in front. Yeah, and then there's like different cottages almost. They have like a wine shop, there's a place where you can do breakfast, then there's a place where you can do wine tasting. So like I said, it's the heritage gardens. Look how beautiful is this. So yeah, very nice experience, and we are going for some breakfast now, having some coffee, and I will take you through the gardens and all that type of stuff. So yeah, let's go. Right guys, just finished our brunch, which was super amazing, and we are at Constantia Uitsig. So alright, so Rebecca will tell you more about all the places there is to visit. So we were just at, what was that place?
4 and 20.
4 and 20, where you can do breakfast. And then this place here serves ice cream.
Kristen's kick-ass ice cream.
Apparently the best. And
There's a Japanese restaurant here, Hiro. I can't pronounce that second word. What is it?
Izakaya.
Yeah. And this is one of the oldest wine farms in South Africa.
Wow, amazing. Looks so nice here.
It's
all these little cottages type of vibe.
so much choice.
Yeah.
And then we have Ember and Oak. So the chef from here used to work at La Colombe.
Okay.
And now
So
they
it's
serve
this place
like
there.
a tapas style food, which is fantastic. It's the best tapas I've ever had in Cape Town. They've won many awards.
So this place right here.
Come here for lunch or dinner. It's amazing. Their sweet potato tapas is to die
that
for.
sounds nice.
And then sushi box right at the end with sushi and noodles. The best.
So there's literally something for everyone and whatever you are in the mood for.
Absolutely.
And
There's a
then
bike park at the end.
right, I don't know if you guys can see, probably not, but right up that mountain is a cave. It's the Elephant's Eye. So let me quickly show you. So right up there is a cave called Elephant's Eye. Very iconic. And you can hike up there and everything. I think that should be quite interesting. So, so I'd rather keep you guys on that angle. So this is the rose garden, and you mentioned about they have medicinal plants as well.
Yes, like I saw echinacea plant that I've never seen before in this garden.
Okay.
And they tend to this quite regularly. There's always a gardener here. The roses are incredible. They have the best scent I've ever smelt on a rose. They've got so many varieties as well. And you just pay an entrance fee to get in, so it's lots of parking, you're safe, and they're beautiful benches where you can come and sit.
Guys, so that was another vlog. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. It was a fun weekend. Got to see a lot of new places and experience new things, so it was amazing. And thanks to my friend Rebecca, it was amazing. So I hope that you enjoyed it. Anyway, smash the hell out of that like button, leave a positive comment down below, share this with your family and friends, and I will see you on the next one.